Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how to redeem offer code on Remitly. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Remitly application and then tap on the Manage tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to select the redeem offer option. Here you will be able to see the offer code section. So if you have the offer code, then you simply need to type the 6 words of the offer code in this section, and then you just have to tap on the apply offer button. If you want to get more insights about how actually the offer code works, then you can tap on the learn about offer codes, and then you will be landed on this help center page. Here you will be able to see a bunch of different articles that would help you to know how you can get the offer code. So in order to get the offer code, what you can do is you can simply just have to wait and keep on using Remitly, because whenever you qualify for any offer code, then the Remitly customer support team is going to email you that you are selected for any particular offer code, and then you can use that offer code in order to get offers on Remitly. If you want to use it, then I have shown you how you can easily do this if you want to know how it actually works. So after you have redeemed your offer code, it will apply to your next transfer or the one you are currently sending. So you will be able to send to see who offer in the transfer summary before you submit your transfer. So this is how basically the offer code actually work, and I have also shown you how you can easily get it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.